Okay, good morning, friend. We have to last lecture. We have to discuss about the hydridine, its relative thermodynamic stability of the hydridine, and the example on the hydridine's stereochemical action. Okay, you have to in this lecture you have to discuss the last stereochemical acid such as the steroid. This is the last stereochemical acid such as steroid. This is the cholesterol structure. This is the cholesterol structure. This cholesterol structure, it is also known as this cholesterol structure. It is also known as a steroid. This cholesterol structure, it is also known as the steroid. Okay. In this steroid, therefore, the CH3 groups at the 10th and the 13th position into this steroid. You have to look at this compound. Therefore, this is the position. This is the 10th position, shows the 1 methyl group, and this is the 13th position. This is the 13th position. This 13th position shows the methyl group, are known as angular methyl group. Are known as angular methyl group. Therefore, these two methyl groups, such as the position on the 10th position on methyl groups and the 13th position on methyl groups, these two methyl groups shows the angular methyl groups. Two methyl groups shows the angular methyl groups. Therefore, this is all about the introduction part of the steroid. In this steroid, therefore, position on the compound, therefore 10th position and 13th position shows the methyl group, and this methyl group is called as the angular methyl group. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? Angular methyl group. Okay, this is all about the introduction of the steroid. Therefore, the example, आता आपल्याला काय पाहिजे? Example on the steroid, that the steroid also known as the cholesterol. Cholesterolच एक प्रकार आहे, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Steroids. Okay, तर this cholesterol, this is the cholesterol, that is the cholesterol 3-butyl acetate, that the cholesterol 3-butyl acetate. This is the structure of the cholesterol 3-butyl acetate. Therefore, the third position of the acetate group, it is attached on the third position of the cholesterol 3-butyl acetate. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय की जो तुमचा थर्ड पोझिशनला जो बीटा पोझिशन आहे, दॅट शोज दी 3-butyl acetate. काय शो करतो? 3-butyl acetate काय करतो? शो करतो. Therefore, its name as cholesterol 3-butyl acetate. Its nomenclature and its name as cholesterol 3-butyl acetate. Therefore, it is a beta position. Position कोणती? The beta position. Therefore, it shows the cholesterol 3-butyl acetate. Therefore, in presence of hydrolysis, it is treated with the hydrolysis. Therefore, it is treated with the hydrolysis. The rate of reaction of this cholesterol 3-butyl acetate, it is a faster. Rate of reaction काय असणार आहे? याचं faster असणार आहे. Therefore, it is formation of the hydrolysis. It gives the acetate group is removed. Acetate group काय होतो? Remove होतो, and it is formation of alcoholic group. Alcoholic group काय होतो? Form होतो. Okay. Therefore, the cholesterol 3-butyl acetate, that is the cholesterol cysteine, contain the equatorial ester group. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय की this cholesterol 3-butyl acetate, this cholesterol 3-butyl acetate, that is the cholesterol cysteine, that is the cholesterol cysteine. ती cysteine कोणती तुमची? cholesterol cysteine, and at the equatorial ester group, at the equatorial ester group. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय की तुमच्या cholesterol 3-butyl acetate मध्ये जो इक्वेटोरियल ग्रुपला काय असतो? ईस्टर असतो. इक्वेटोरियल ग्रुपला काय आहे? ईस्टर आहे. ओके. इन द ईस्टर हायड्रोलिसिस, द स्टेरिक क्राउडिंग increases in the transition state. In the ईस्टर हायड्रोलिसिस, therefore the steric crowding is increases in the transition state. म्हणजे ट्रान्झिशन स्टेट मध्ये या इस्टरिफिकेशनचा हायड्रोलिसिस करताना इथं स्टेरिक क्राउडिंग जे होते ती स्टेरिक क्राउडिंग काय होते? increases होते. ओके, दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द स्टेरॉइड. याचं हे काय आलं? एक्झाम्पल. तर याचे पॉइंट्स पहा की increase in bulk can be accommodated at the equatorial position, hence the hydrolysis of ester having the equatorial ester function, hence the having the equatorial ester function, therefore it is a fast. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय की increase the bulk can be accommodated, increase the bulk can be accommodated, therefore it is a bulkness of the crowding, therefore it is a bulkiness of the crowding, and this bulkiness of the crowding, it is increases. It is increases. Therefore, accommodate at the equatorial position. Accommodate at the equatorial position. Hence, the hydrolysis of ester having. Hence, the hydrolysis of ester having the equatorial ester function. Equatorial ester function is fast. Equatorial ester function is fastly removed. इक्वेटोरियल ईस्टर फंक्शन क्या होता है, फास्टली रिमूव होता है. फास्टली रिमूव क्या होता है, बिकॉज द इंक्रीजेस द bulk can be accommodated. Increasing the bulk can be accommodated at the equatorial position. Therefore, hence the equatorial position of the ester group, equatorial position of the ester having the equatorial ester function, it is fastly removed. इक्वेटोरियल फंक्शन काय होतं, फास्टली काय होतं, रिमूव्ह होतं. कारण की इथं जे स्टेरिक क्राउडिंग आहे, that the steric crowding it is increases. Therefore, this ester group is fastly removed into the hydrolysis reaction. Therefore, its rate of reaction is faster. Rate of reaction काय आहे तुमचा, cholesterol 3-butyl acetate, it is treated with the water. Therefore, the rate of reaction is faster by the increasing the bulk, increasing the bulky crowdiness, increasing the bulky crowdiness. Therefore, this equatorial position of the ester, it is fastly removed into the hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis reaction मध्ये हा तुमचा ester group हा fastly काय होतो, remove होतो. Okay. Therefore, next it is a alpha epimers. This is alpha epimers. This is alpha epimer, that the ester group is at axial position. That the ester group is at axial position. This is your ester group. This is your ester group, and this ester group at the axial position. This ester group at the axial position. Therefore, transition at equatorial. Therefore, transition at equatorial. Therefore, transition on this equatorial, it is increasing bulk. It is increasing bulk. Therefore, transition on this equatorial position, therefore increasing bulk. Therefore, bulkiness formation on this hydrogen group. Bulkiness कुठे तयार होणार आहे, equatorial position च्या hydrogen. Okay. Then it cannot be accommodated axial position, but it cannot be accommodated on axial position. Therefore, the transition state, it cannot be accommodated at the axial position. Why it is on axial position? Because it shows the less bulkiness. The axial position shows the less bulkiness in the alpha epimer. Therefore, it is transition state, it is on the equatorial position, because the equatorial position, therefore the bulkiness, therefore the bulkiness is increases. Therefore, bulkiness is increases on the equatorial position. Therefore, on the axial position, it does not show the bulkiness. Therefore, the transition state on equatorial position, not on axial position. Okay. Therefore, it cannot be accommodated the axial position. Therefore, transition state becomes unstable. Transition state becomes unstable. म्हणजे axial position वर तुमची transition state काय असते, unstable असते. Why the transition state is unstable? Because the transition state on the axial position, therefore the transition state on axial position, therefore it is does not show the bulkiness is increases, but the on the equatorial position, therefore bulkiness is increases. Therefore therefore the axial position does not involve the transition state, and therefore this axial position is unstable in the transition state. म्हणजे ट्रान्झिशन स्टेट मध्ये तुमची ऍक्सियल पोझिशनला जो कंपाऊंड असतो, जे ईस्टर ग्रुप असते, दॅट ईस्टर ग्रुप इट डज नॉट शोज दी bulkiness or it is unstable. ते काय असतं, अनस्टेबल असतं. ओके. Therefore, its rate of reaction is also slower. Rate of reaction सुद्धा काय असतो, याचा स्लो असतो. Why it is slow? Because the axial position bulkiness is decreases and equatorial position bulkiness is increases. Therefore, the axial position it does not it is unstable. The axial position of the transition state, it is unstable, and the equatorial position of the transition state is stable. Therefore, it is alpha epimer react slower. therefore it is अल्फा इपिमर रिएक्ट स्लोअर. म्हणजे अल्फा इपिमर जर तुम्ही हायड्रोलिसिस केलं की त्याची जी रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन आहे तर ती रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन काय होणार आहे, स्लो होणार. ओके, दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द स्टेरॉइड. हे संपूर्ण काय झालं, दिस इज इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द स्टेरॉइड. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन ऑन द स्टेरॉइड. आता आपल्याला काय पाहिजे, क्वेश्चन कशावरचा, स्टेरॉइडवरचा. ओके, दिस इज द कोलेस्ट्रॉल 3 beta 7 alpha diol. The cholesterol 3 beta 7 alpha diol, it is treated with excess of ethyl chloroformate. It is treated with excess of ethyl chloroformate. Ethyl chloroformate leads to formation of 2 monocathalate. Leads to formation of 2 monocathalate. It can while the cholesterol 3 beta 7 beta diol can form the diester. 3 beta, that is 3 beta 7 beta diol, that can be formation of diether. This diether, it is known as dicathalate. काय फॉर्मेशन होतं, dicathalate. आता ऍक्च्युअल पहा की दिस इज द कॅथलेट ईस्टर. तर ROCO C2H5 यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण, कॅथलेट ईस्टर. ओके, तर एक्झाम्पल पहा की कोलेस्ट्रॉल 3 बीटा 7 अल्फा डायोल. कोलेस्ट्रॉल 3 बीटा 7 अल्फा डायोल. ओके, तर याच्यामध्ये पहा की दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कोलेस्ट्रॉल 3 बीटा 7 अल्फा डायोल. It is the 10th position, it shows the methyl groups, and the 13th position shows the methyl group. So these two positions shows the methyl group. It is called as the angular methyl group. त्यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण, angular methyl group. Okay, therefore the 7th position shows the hydroxy group at the axial position. In the 3rd position shows the hydroxyl group at the equatorial position. Okay, therefore this is the cholesterol 3 beta 7 alpha diol. Cholesterol 3 beta 7 alpha diol. Okay, it is treated with ethyl chloroformate. It is treated with the ethyl chloroformate. It is a formation of 3 monocathalate. It is formation of 3 monocathalate. In this first ethyl chloroformate treated, therefore in the first, that is the cholesterol 3 beta 7 alpha diol, it is treated with the ethyl chloroformate. It is formation of 2 monocathalate on the equatorial position. On the equatorial position. Why it is on the equatorial position? Because the bulkiness, it is a formation on the equatorial position, not on the axial position. Therefore firstly it is a prepare the esterification, it is a prepare on equatorial position and reaches the axial position, and reaches the axial position. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा जो esterification जी होणार आहे, that the esterification firstly form on the equatorial position. Why it is form on the equatorial position? Because the bulkiness on the equatorial position, it is increases, therefore it is a formation on the equatorial position and reaches the axial position. Okay, this is the and formation of 2 monocathalate. काय formation होतं, 2 monocathalate. Okay, then it is another treated with the ethyl chloroformate. Then it is another treated with the ethyl chloroformate and the formation of dicathalate. And the formation of dicathalate. Dicathalate म्हणजे काय की डायस्टर काय होतो, फॉर्म होतो. That is in the third position. In third position the ester is formation, and the 7th position the ester is formation. 7th position ला सुद्धा तुमचं ester काय होतो, formation होतो. In the and this is called as the dicathalate. यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण, dicathalate. Okay, this is the esterification of equatorial alcohol occurs easily than the axial alcohol. म्हणजे इक्वेटोरियल पोझिशनला जो अल्कोहोल असतो तो अल्कोहोल काय असतो की इट इज इझिली ऑकर्स करतो. आपण इझिली इक्वेटोरियल पोझिशनच्या अल्कोहोलला काय करतो, ऑकर करतो. बट दॅन द ऍक्सियल पोझिशन, बट दॅन ऍक्सियल पोझिशन म्हणजे ऍक्सियल पोझिशन पेक्षा आपण इक्वेटोरियल पोझिशनला जे इस्टरिफिकेशन करतो तर तो इस्टरिफिकेशन मध्ये तो अल्कोहोल काय करतो, पहिल्यांदा ॲक्वायर करतो. And then during this esterification there is increase the bulk at the 7 beta alcohol accumulate. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय की 7 अल्फा 7 बीटावर जो अल्कोहोल असतो, 7 बीटावर जो अल्कोहोल असतो, तर त्या अल्कोहोलला अकोमोडेट करतं. त्या अल्कोहोलला काय करतो आपण, अकोमोडेट करतं. अँड ॲट इक्वेटोरियल पोझिशन, नॉट ऑन ॲक्सियल पोझिशन. ॲट इक्वेटोरियल पोझिशन, नॉट ऑन ॲक्सियल पोझिशन. इथं इक्वेटोरियल पोझिशनला तुमचं इस्टरिफिकेशन होतं. इक्वेटोरियल पोझिशनला तुमचं काय होतं, इस्टरिफिकेशन होतं. दॅट इज ऑन दी 7th पोझिशन. ओके. अँड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डायकॅथलेट. काय तयार होतं तुमचं, डायकॅथलेट. डायकॅथलेट कशापासून तयार करतो, कोलेस्ट्रॉल 3 बीटा 7 अल्फा डायोड. ओके. इट इज ट्रीटेड विथ दी ethyl chloroformate, formation of 3 monocathalate, and it is another treated with the ethyl chloroformate and formation of dicathalate. Okay, this is all about the steroid and its example. Okay, next time we discuss on the another example on this steroid. Okay, thank you.